Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video where we will be answering some frequently asked questions about MySQL databases. If you're an intermediate level developer working with MySQL, this video is for you. We will be covering some common questions you might have, so let's get started. What are stored procedures and how do you create and use them in MySQL? Stored procedures are a set of SQL statements that are stored in the database and can be executed by calling its name. They can simplify complex SQL queries and improve database performance. To create and use stored procedures in MySQL, you can use the create procedure statement and call them using the call statement. Kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so that you will be the first to receive notifications when we release new videos. Let's move to next question. What is normalization and how do you apply it to a MySQL database? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to eliminate redundancy and improve data integrity. In MySQL, you can apply normalization by breaking down large tables into smaller, more manageable ones and creating relationships between them. What is indexing and how do you create and use indexes in MySQL? Indexing is the process of creating data structures that improve the speed of data retrieval operations on a table. In MySQL, you can create and use indexes using the create index statement, or by using the alter table statement to add an index to an existing table. What are views and how do you create and use them in MySQL? Views are virtual tables based on the result of a select statement. They allow users to access and manipulate data from multiple tables as if it were a single table. In MySQL, you can create and use views using the create view statement. What is a transaction and how do you use it in MySQL? A transaction is a set of SQL statements that are executed as a single unit of work. It's used to ensure data consistency and to maintain the integrity of the database. In MySQL, you can use transactions using the start transaction, commit, and rollback statements. What are triggers, and how do you create and use them in MySQL? Triggers are a set of SQL statements that are automatically executed in response to certain events, such as inserting, updating, or deleting data from a table. They can be used to enforce business rules, maintain data integrity, or automate certain tasks. In MySQL, you can create and use triggers using the create trigger statement. What is database replication and how do you set it up in MySQL? Database replication is the process of creating and maintaining a redundant copy of a database on a secondary server for high availability. In MySQL, you can set up replication using the master-slave replication model, which involves creating a master server that writes changes to the database and one or more slave servers that replicate those changes. That's it for this video on frequently asked database questions for intermediate MySQL developers. We covered some common questions about stored procedures, normalization, indexing, views, transactions, triggers, and database replication. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.